Okay, let's start. You delete your default text. So now you import in your image. Okay, after that you lock it so that it doesn't move around. Okay, so now let's work on the background. You click on this. You click on the squares on top of each other. That's this one. Then you click on color. Then you pick the color you want. So I'm going to use this color. Okay. Then I'm going to add some colors as well. So I'm going to add stickers. So when you click, you see something like this. Then you click on the screen. You on your border lines. So and then you on the magnet. You place it at the top right corner using the relative position. Then you increase it to the first square so that it will take the first square shape. Then you change its color to yellow. Okay. Then you copy it. After changing the color, you copy it. You move it to the next circle. Then use the relative position to position it. You copy this one too. You move it to the third box on top. Then you copy it again for the fourth time. Use the relative position to move it to the far right corner. Then you copy again. This time around, you move it downwards. Then you copy again. You move it downwards again. Afterwards, you use the relative position to send it to the far right. Okay. After this, you make the stickers together. Then you move it to the back. Then you lock that one too. So it has been locked. Now let's type our text. Increase your text size. Then you on the boldness. You go to style, then you on the bold. Place it on top of one of the borderlines. That is the first borderline. And make sure it's placed at the center. Then you lock it. You introduce another text again. This time around, it's going to be big sale. Then you move it to the end of the new arrival. Then you change the font style to a style you want. Then you place it so so that it will not move out. It will not overlap the big arrival. You increase the size to 50. Then move it to be in line with the new arrival. Okay. Afterwards, you lock that one too. Now we are introducing a shape. You click on the plus sign again. You click on shapes. Then you expand it. Then move it downwards. Okay. Then you lock. You introduce another shape, but this time around, you increase the radius. Then you reduce the size to the small circle. You move it below the borderline. You can ask them and see. For now, they are come still. You copy it. Then you reduce the size a little. Then you change its color to yellow or orange. Reduce the size, increase the size a little bit. Then you move it upwards. Then you lock. Okay. So now we have something like this. Now we are going to introduce another text again. You click on your A, then you edit. %50 off. Okay. You can change the font if you want, or you maintain it. So I'm going to maintain mine. Then increase the boldness. You change the color of the 50% to red. Then you maintain the off color as white. Then you position it to be somehow in the center. Then you align your text to the center alignment. Then you lock it. Okay, you introduce another text again. This time around it's going to be contact. Okay. We on the background, text background, we on it. Then you change it to the color you use for the small circle. Okay. Then you look for pattern. Then you increase it to, let's say 5. You increase the left pattern to 5, the right pattern to also 5. Then you go back to the text background. Then you increase the radius. $25 is okay. Then you reduce the size, then place it on top of the white shape. You reduce the size of your font to 30. let's reduce it to 20. Okay, so 20 is okay. Then we'll copy it and edit. Location. Then move it to the down. Then move it to the right side. Okay, afterwards you lock them. You lock the two. Then introduce another new text again. You type in your contact. Then you place it under the contact heading. Let it be the same size as the contact. So that's 20. Then you change its color to black. Move it a little bit below the contact. Then you copy it. This time around you edit it to your location. You move it down and up so that to be in line with this. When it is in line, then you move it below the location. Afterwards, you merge your designs together. Okay, so your items have been merged. After merging it, now we are going to save it. You click on this thing here. You will see save as project and save as image. If you are done with it, you save as image. If you still come back and continue, you save as project. So we are done with the design, so we are going to save as image. So our item has been saved. Thank you.